Hi guys, Elvira here. I'm going to show you a healthy meatloaf. So people have asked me if I could come up with a recipe that's healthy, just a traditional meatloaf, you know. And believe it or not, I did. So we are going to do that. I'm going to use a half a pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef, ground pork, but again, the calories are going to be a little different. We're going to take a piece of bread, and I'm going to just get it wet underneath the sink, underneath the water. Put it over here, and we're going to break it in there. Just break it in like that. Then, we're going to use one onion first. Chop it real good. Yeah, and I had some people request, and I thought, a traditional meatloaf, with not a lot of calories, and believe me, this one doesn't have a lot of calories, and I thought, well, I'll show you. And you can use a full ground thing, but for me, because I'm one person, I usually use a half a pound, because if not, I'll eat it for 2 weeks. I don't want to eat it for 2 weeks. No, I don't need that. Very strong. Give me a break here. I gotta get the oven set to 350. Okay, and I need to get an egg out. And the reason I came up with this because everybody said they just wanted a plain old meatloaf. So I wanted to make it healthy. So we're going to add an egg in here. And it took me a bit, guys, but I did. I found one. Now my hands are sticky. Hold on. So, this meatloaf is pretty good. Not a lot of calories. So you're going to use one onion, one egg. I got to get a cracker. You're not even going to put any, everybody's like, could you do it without cilantro, without parsley, stuff that people might not want to use. And I thought, well, yeah, I can do that. And the cracker, ooh, the onion is just so strong. You're only going to use one. You can use any type of cracker, even if it's a saltine and it's got salt or non-salt, there's still only 14 calories. I use a saltine cracker. Just going to, like that. See, got our onion chopped in there. Cut it. Now, put this in. Man, that onion is just strong. Ooh. tablespoon of ketchup. just like that. It's right here. Squirt it on there. Voila. Okay. Then we're gonna take some salt, seasoned salt and pepper. That's all we're gonna use. I just did a traditional. Everybody was asking. That's it. We're gonna do a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Just a dash. Okay. So. About a tablespoon of seasoned salt and pepper. Yep. A little more. It's about two tablespoons. Wash my hands here. And then what I'll do is I'll get a pan. I'm going to show you the type of pan we're going to use, and we're going to grease it. Okay. Get a pan out. Use some Crisco. We're going to grease our pan. Our oven is ready. And wait till you hear it when we get done, when I come back, after we get in the oven, and I show you the calorie count. It's a traditional meatloaf, not a lot of calories. I've gotten a lot of requests, and I thought, oh, okay, we got our baking dish greased. That's all we're going to do. And like I said, I've been asked for traditional, so that's why we're doing it. Let's see here. Squish them up. Doing this. You might just squish because you got 1, 2, 6. So you guys 1. Might be only 4. Okay, like that. Okay. Hands washed here. We'll put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. We're just going to bake it like this. Okay, guys. Elvira will be back in about 45 minutes with the final countdown of our calories and the out product of our meatloaf. Stay tuned. Be back in a few. Bye.